Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the derivative. So now I will show you the technique. We want to find first the derivative of this one. So in this situation, we can use about rodent chain. So in this situation, we need to find first the derivative f of s, so we can write this one in here. Later that we do first the derivative of this one, so you got about 3. First the derivative 3 of s, because this is about power 3 in here, so you got about 3s to the power of 2. Because we need to use number 3 minus number 1, you got about number 2. F of s. So they ask about s equal to number 0 in here. So we just put number 0 in s. Now we go to check on the table when s equal to number 0 in here. First the derivative f of number 0, that's about this one. Because we have number 0 in here, so we don't need to calculate this one, because number 0 multiplied with this one, you got about 0. Next, 3 of number 0 in the derivative, that's about this one. So you got about negative number 2. And this one, that's about this one. So we put negative number 1. And f of 0, that's about number 1. So we got about negative number 6. And this is the answer. Now let's go to the next one. The second one, that's about quotient rule. So if we do first the derivative, denominator, that's about 3s minus 1. You can put about the power 2. Later that they do first the derivative f of s, multiply with 3s minus 1 minus, because we just finished about first the derivative f of s, so we do first the derivative of 3s minus 1. So you just got about first the derivative 3 of s. So at s equal to number 1, so we put number 1 in here. So we have number 1, that's about this one. First the derivative of f of number 1, so we got about number 1 in here. 3 of number 1, so that's a negative number 3. f of number 1, that's about number 2. First derivative of number 1, that's about number 4. Over 3 of number 1, that's about negative number 3. So we got about negative number 3 over 4. And that's the answer of this one. Now let's go to the last one. If we do first the derivative of this one, you got about 3 of f of s inside first derivative, because inside of 3 we have f of s, so we got about first derivative f of s. So they want to find the value at s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 in here. So for this one, f of number 0, so we have this one in here. When we put number 0 in f of s, you got about number 1. So at s equal to number 1, and we have first derivative 3 of s, that's about number 4. And this one, that's about number 0 in here, because 0 with 0, so you got 4 multiplied with 0, so you got about 0, so the answer is about 0. That's the end. Thank you for watching, and here is the full answer for everything in here.